One of the easiest ways to grow revenue in an auto repair shop is to increase estimate approval rates. Too many shops create estimates and then never follow up consistently. AI helps solve that. With the right tools, you can automate personalized follow-up messages by text or email, so customers don't forget about recommended repairs. Imagine a customer declines a transmission service or brake job today. AI can send a friendly message tomorrow, 3 days later, and next week with helpful reminders and clear next steps. This keeps your shop top of mind without creating extra work for your service advisor. AI can even tailor messages based on the customer's vehicle, repair history, and urgency level. That means better communication and more approved work. When used correctly, it feels helpful, not pushy. This is where smart systems and smart marketing come together. America's Best Shops has shown how important follow-up is for shop growth, and AI makes that process consistent, scalable, and profitable for local businesses that want to stop leaving money on the table.